Yo, what's good guys, it's Mikasa here. I hope you are doing very well. As you can see, I'm here on our Discord channel. Make sure you join it, because we are doing a lot of fun and stuff there. We are doing now today a giveaway, and we will doing a beat contest, beat battle here. So we'll giving of course prizes, some loot packs, maybe even cash. So make sure you join out. Also, if you want to join our membership, link also will be below. On the membership you can find really fire stuff like mixing beats, how to mix beats, how to get to placements, how to improve your melodies, all the stuff that our music producer needs. So in this video I decided to make to show how to make some melodic drill beats from samples, how to sample things. It's really simple with Fruity Slicer, and let's begin. So for example, I have found this loop here. So what I'm going to do is open Fruity Slicer and drag this here. Now click slice, slice beat. And I'm just going to drag a little bit tech here. You get this. So each sound has his own, like for example, each beat has its own sound. So I'm going to delete this one and make a new melody. For example, I'm going to play melodies, for example, here. This sounds cool. I can maybe layer this one like this. Okay, sounds cool now. I'm going to copy this. Okay, I'm going to copy this here. Now I'm going to export this. So we'll get this sound here. So this is the main melody. Now I'm going to put it on channel rack 5 and put half and add some effects, for example halftime. Let's hear now. I'm going to pitch it up. Not that much. For example this. And now it's really different vibe. Sounds really fire. I'm just going to smooth bleeding. I'm going to play with the EQ2 here. And add more reverb here. Just turn on the mix, turn on the volume here. Sounds really fire for now. Let's just add a new pattern. Let's say drums. I'm just going to check it how it sounds on my speakers here. So I'm going to change it here. Let's test it out. Okay, sounds cool. Another simple 4 bars here. Let's find a UK drill drums. I'm currently working on drill drum kit drill loops. I'm making a big bundle, so make sure, I think it will be your membership. I'm not sure, but make sure you're staying tuned for that. Let me find, I think it's all drums, yes. Okay. Let's take this one. I'm going to use simple hi-hat pattern. Maybe make some rolls here. Okay, I like this for now. Let's maybe add some overheads. Let's take this kick. Giving a really chill style of a drill beat. I can take this perk, maybe something like this. Yeah, like this. Oh, this sounds cool. Or maybe at the beginning. Yeah. Let's find it right now. I need some deeper edit. I think this one is perfect. Let's test out that our 808 is in tune. Click here, detect pitch regions. Okay, C, perfect. Let's make envelope here. So whenever I hold a key, it will play. And let's cut itself. And let's place some 808s here. Let's place some. Okay, sounds good now. I mean, it's really simple. I want to keep it really simple. Okay, I like this. This way it sounds beat. I'm going to split by channel. I make some intro for this. Okay, do it like this. Let's copy everything. Melody sounds really good. Melody sounds really fire. I'm just going to save it here. Beats, CertifiedProducer, MELODIC. Okay, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you like this beat. I hope I helped you. As you can see, it's slicer. You can make a lot of fire stuff using another samples, another sounds from another sources. So make sure join our giveaway. I will put a link below to join our Discord channel. Giveaway will be on a Discord channel. It's really simple to join. Just react on the text and that's it. I'm giving a free some VSTs here, but for the next beat contest will be some other giveaways. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye.